the unit circle, a fundamental concept in trigonometry.
What is the unit circle?
The unit circle is a circle centered at the origin of 0 and 0. The coordinate plane with a radius of 1 unit is defined by the equation y squared plus x squared equals 1.
Angles and radians. We measure angles starting from the positive x-axis moving counterclockwise. So, angles can be measured in 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, to 70 degrees, to 330 degrees. Pi are 0, pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 2, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6, pi, 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, and the last is 11 pi over 6.
Important coordinates at 0 degrees or 0 radians with 1, 0 coordinates. At 90 degrees or pi 2 radians with a 0, 1 coordinates. At 270 degrees with or radius 3 pi over 2 with a coordinates of 0, negative 1. Coordinate of any point on the unit circle represents cos theta. Pi coordinate represents sine theta. The unit circle is more than just a circle. It's a powerful tool that simplifies trigonometry. Understanding it helps us solve trigonometry problems with an ease.